In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Meta Facebook Pixel to your Hostinger website builder. If you're looking to enhance your marketing strategy and take advantage of detailed analytics, integrating the Facebook Pixel into your website is a crucial step. This tool enables you to track visitor interactions and gather valuable insights to optimize your ad campaigns effectively. Let's go through the process together, covering each step clearly and thoroughly. First, head over to the Hostinger website. If you're already logged in, great. If not, you'll want to access your Hostinger dashboard by entering your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your account's homepage where you'll find an overview of all your hosted websites. Next, you'll see an option labeled Edit Website next to the website you wish to modify. Click on this to open the Hostinger website builder. This is where you'll be doing the main body of work required for this task. Once inside the website builder, draw your attention to the navigation bar and locate a button or a drop-down link that says More. Clicking on More will expand a menu that provides various additional functionalities and integrations that you can bring into your site. From the list that appears, you'll find an option titled Apps. Selecting this will bring you to an array of third-party applications and integrations available to enhance your website's features. Among these, you'll be able to locate the Facebook Pixel app. Clicking on the Facebook Pixel app will initiate an interface guiding you through integrating it with your site. At this point, you'll likely need your Facebook Pixel ID, which is obtainable from your Facebook Ads Manager. If you've never done this before, simply head over to Facebook's Ads Manager. Here you can create your pixel and obtain an ID that will be unique to your website and advertising account. With your Facebook Pixel ID in hand, you'll be prompted to enter it in the appropriate field within the Hostinger website builder interface. After correctly inputting this ID, the app will take you through finalizing the setup and ensuring that the pixel is functioning as expected on your site. This step is crucial to confirm proper setup. Opt for the test feature on the Facebook side to ensure the integration that captures visitor activity appropriately. Once you're happy that the pixel is working, you should be able to start using the wealth of visitor data to better understand and engage with your audience. By following these instructions closely, you're laying the groundwork for a robust digital marketing strategy, with the integrated Facebook Pixel providing the actionable insights you need to propel your campaigns to success. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you find this walkthrough beneficial as you continue building a powerful online presence.